To other news now, quick action by a policeman led to a failed robbery outside the premises of the tax administration of Jamaica TVJ branch on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew earlier today. Reports are that two men on a bike were attempting to rob an elderly couple. An off-duty policeman, on realizing what was happening, intervened. TVJ News understands that shots were fired. The men escaped and the tax office as well as the nearby post office closed early because of the incident. Police are investigating. And coming up later in this newscast, residents in Springfield, Ohio still on edge following Trump comments. Please stay with us. We'll be right back.